yeah, I mean, it's been very helpful. I mean, especially, I mean, there are still some documents where, you can look at them a million times and you still either forget something or you just, I don't know, like it could just not mess you up, but trick you, but the answer is so simple. So yeah, just having the ability to collaborate with different notaries and, like with Jeff, Kimberly, and Alexis, just being experienced for many years and just having that backup, it's nice. It's nice to have, and knowing that, you're not really left out there alone to kind of figure it out. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely very, very valuable.
We
And
appreciate
then,
it.
even though I may make a mistake and it's vulnerable, but I learn from it and then, everybody else learns from it. So we're just like all here to grow together, and just get better.
Yeah, I agree. And I still make mistakes too. I try to catch it. We all do. We're human. It's gonna happen. But the main thing is, to be humble. And I've had people bring things to my attention. I'm like, oh, okay. I didn't know I did that. Or, somebody else told me I did that, but now two people told me I did that. So now I got to really, really think about it. Well, again, congratulations, Bernice. Thank you for sharing your tips
Yeah.
with us and their certificate and the Amazon gift card. If everybody will give us just a couple of days to get it to you, you will receive it. So
Appreciate
thank
it.
you again and big shout out.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Benny.
Yeah,
Thank you.
very good. So we had a couple more categories here. We also have team spirit. So we were like, ooh, every morning they're gonna put something in that chat. Good morning. They wake up before the crack of dawn. Now y'all might have somebody else. If it's somebody else, I don't mind giving out one bonus. One bonus. But we had two people, and they're both relatively new. We had Miss Leslie Moon again and Miss Shakira. Miss Shakira. Yes, because every morning they are going to put something in that chat. I see a lot of heads shaking, so I think everyone is in agreement. That you
I'm
guys,
sorry. I just be up because the kids be getting ready to come and I just be having a good day right then. So I just do it.
yeah, because I'm like, well, who is this at 4 o'clock in the morning? I'm like, no, we are not answering no chat at 4 o'clock in the morning. But somebody else is up at 4. Y'all know I'm a late owl. I take my clients till 10 o'clock at night. So you got the early birds for Miss Leslie, okay? And Miss Shakira also. We appreciate it, Miss Leslie. Please don't stop, please. I usually cut my phone off at a certain point anyway, so you go for it. I cut mine off because the phone, I'm like, I know somebody ain't just say good morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. But yes, please continue. And we love all of your little things that you put. And everyone else does contribute too, but we had to pick just two. And again, I'm open to a bonus. If somebody got like every morning, Miss Kimmi, such and such motivates me. So I'm open to one more bonus while we are here live. Miss Shakira, did you want to add to that?
I was just gonna say thank you. I really didn't expect anything because I love doing it.
We appreciate it for real. It's a motivator.
Yeah.
I wake up, it does motivate me too when I first get up in the morning.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Well, we thank you for that contribution. So you guys will receive each a $5, just like a coffee on us, okay? Just to say thank
Okay.
you for contributing. Well, it won't be coffee to be Amazon, but whatever.
Right.
You should
Okay.
get something for $5 right now. Okay, so we do thank you. Is Mr. Mike got a little co-companion over there that's dying to say hello? Who is that, Mike?
This is my daughter and granddaughter, Sophia.
Hey, Ingrid, what's going on, Chica? How are you?
Huh? Oh, her name is Sophia.
Oh, Sophia. I'm
Sophia.
sorry. Hey, Sophia. How are you?
Sophia. She can't hear you. I have you on my headset.
Oh, she
Oh,
like
okay. So how
Sophia.
are you? How are you?
Hi, Sophia. Well, tell her we said hello.
They said hello, Sophia.
And loving her puffs. Loving her puffs.
Thank you.
All right, very good. Okay, so we'll keep it moving. We have did anybody have a bonus person that they wanted to recognize that just like every morning they're motivated by someone? I'm open to that really quick. Nobody like okay, we're good on our selection. Okay, very good. All right, then. You can nominate yourself too now. Don't be like, okay, cool. All right. Then we will move on. We had two more little categories here. The next one is Team Leadership Award. And this is for someone, the people we've chosen rather, they offer a lot of assistance in the community. And this particular category will be growing even more in 26 because we'll have the leaderboard to tell us who's doing what. But we're just kind of going by, again, the recommendations that we received on the back end, what we know to be factual. And we had Lisa John Baptiste as one of our main contributors to help us in the community. Lisa has contributed as a paid role, but a lot of her contributions have been unpaid. When we were on vacation, that was a paid role, but the majority of the things she's done for the community has been unpaid. Lisa, do you happen to be here? You don't have to come off camera if you don't want.
I did see her somewhere
Hi,
earlier.
I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
So we just
Lisa.
want to say thank you, Lisa, for leading
Thank
various
you.
sessions and helping with the community. Do you mind sharing maybe just a thought or so? What drives you to help your fellow notaries, if it's paid or unpaid?
Yeah. I would say I enjoy helping, and I say this because of how I started with the business. And like I told you before, when I came back, when I found the group, I gave up on mine because it was so stressful. And then when I found the mentorship, it helped me in so much ways you just don't even understand. Um, so with all the help that I receive, I feel like it makes me feel good helping other people. Even if it's just to go be a witness or answer a question for somebody, because I'm always down to be somebody witness. But I enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. So that kind of, pushed me to help others. And even with helping you guys with the chat and stuff, um, I enjoy doing it.
Well, we can see that, and we definitely appreciate it. I'm sure your fellow notaries, because you guys were nominated, also feel that you care about them, and we appreciate it and look forward to working with you more in 26.
Thank
So
you
we thank you
guys.
so much. Yeah. And even serving, like she was saying, as a witness for people, that's a big deal because you guys help each other a lot. The signing does not happen without witnesses. So we do thank you
Yes.
again. So Lisa and our other three people we're going to mention all will receive a $15 Amazon gift card as well as a certificate to go with that. Okay, so Lisa was our first nomination. The second one was Bernice again. Bernice, you were nominated
Bernice.
for all the help. You getting big shout outs, Lisa. You were nominated, Bernice, for all of the assistance that you provide in the chat by your fellow notaries. And of course, we see it too, but it's nothing to be recognized by your peer. It's a great feeling. So do you want to address like how you're able to help so much and what drives you to do that rather?
Yeah, I would say the same thing like Lisa. I mean, I got a lot of help and, when I can just give it back. We've all started in the same shoes. We're walking the same walk.
So we definitely appreciate your assistance. And yes, really for real, guys, because we can't do it by ourselves. And you guys know our dynamics of our team have changed since we started everything. So, so we greatly appreciate your assistance whenever you can answer something. And again, if it's not right, we'll come in here and clean it up or somebody else might chime in. So again, teamwork makes the dream work for real. Our next person is going to be Jasmine Mitchell.
Is
Jasmine.
is she here?
I think I saw
I'm here. I'm shocked, but I'm here.
Oh,
Yeah,
hey, Jasmine.
yes.
Hello.
Yes. We for real, Jasmine. Jasmine, y'all know I always treat Jasmine like she's my own. But that's because I don't know. I just love Jasmine. But Jasmine has helped in the chat a lot more than she has thought, for real. She's there and people shaking their head, Jasmine. So it's not just, fluff. A lot of times you don't maybe have the confidence in yourself, but we had a confidence in you. And as I've seen you helping other people, I'm like, I knew she knew that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. Also, it was gonna be a category, but it's not. But I'm just gonna tell you how I feel about you. I'm just so excited for you too, from where you've come from to where you are today. And a lot of us have started together and we've seen you overcome your fears, over just getting out there doing it. And it's just really been encouraging.